What's the deal? We back working on the Tahoe. I already did the work. I didn't record it. But what I did was I changed to both of the belts, the AC tensioner in the belt, and then the what is this? What belt is this? What belt is this? The spindle, whatever belt is called. But you know the pulley, alternator belt, water pump belt, whatever you call it. And last thing I'm doing is I'm installing the a new air intake system. I kind of started a little bit. You know, this is what I did so far. Just kind of getting the test fit. I thought I had to cut this, but I mean, it ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. I don't think that's bad. Plus, it got a snug fit. Yeah, I don't think it's too bad. So we installing the what's this? Air Spectrum Performance. Yeah, Air Spectrum Performance. Yep. It was time. I mean, that's the all right there smashed. So it wasn't breathing for real. It wasn't getting as much airflow as it should. I'm probably not gonna record it. I'm gonna just show y'all after. After I'm done. And then if it doesn't rain, I might get it cleaned. So it might be a 2 video one. You know, I might show y'all this and then show y'all what the progress of the Tahoe has been. Yeah, probably do that. Just show y'all what the progress has been. Alright. So I'm done. You know. It came out good. Could have been a little better, you know. I had to adjust some screws and kind of like force it in because this side right here, it was kind of like pushed in a little bit because it is dented. But it's okay, you know. Something temporarily for right now. For sure to replace that. But it's, you know, it came out good. It came out good. I like it. Nothing too bad. Something just for right now. This is just temporarily. This is not exactly what I wanted to do to it. But like I said, it's just something temporarily. Just to keep the channel videos consistent, you know, as much as possible.